Making coffee machines is nothing new. Building them in the UK and selling them to the Italians, that's called bucking a trend.
We started off in very humble beginnings in a back garden shed, so now we have about 50,000 square feet.
Frank Maxwell created Fracino 50 years ago. Today, the machines are installed in coffee shops, hotels and restaurants and count Costa Coffee as a customer. It's even installed some of these Pacino models for the UK's Prime Minister. The founder says their popularity is down to principles of design.
We have competitors that make a machine. They've got 70 screws holding the front panel on, where about 4 clips is all it needs. And it's because it's not an engineer that designed it.
When the recent financial crisis hit, Frank's son Adrian, the MD, changed course. Taking advantage of the weak British pound, Fracino's machines were now more competitively priced to foreign buyers.
As well, because suddenly pound against the dollar was weaker, pound against the euro was weaker, people were buying from abroad going, hang on a minute, these guys are making a really nice piece of kit, it's actually British, the quality will be there, but the price is also really good.
It now exports to over 55 countries across 5 continents. That's resulted in double-digit year-on-year growth. So would the Maxwells consider borrowing to capitalise on their growth? Not likely.
And if you've got the cash flow running the business, you really can't get in a mess, and we've used that theory all along.
Spending within their means, one machine at a time. Tom Gibson, Bloomberg.